सो हेलो तोशिरोस, वेलकम टू एनिमी कावाशिमा। स्वागत है आप सबको एनीफैक्स एपिसोड 5 में। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं टॉप 5 एक्शंस एनिमी पार्ट 1 फॉर यू गाइस विच में ब्लो योर माइंड। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी मोर टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्ट्रेट इनटू द वीडियो. Before getting started, I found out that 72% of the people who are watching the video are not subscribing. If you have already did not, then please consider subscribing for the amazing content every week. On number 5 comes Vinland Saga. Vinland Saga has totally one season with 24 episodes. Telling this series in short is like young man named Thorfinn find himself in a quest for revenge against his father's killer. Firstly, indulge in apparent greatness of Warrant Harbor. Thorfinn quickly changes as he endures having to survive alone and then alongside the man who vows to kill, developing conflicting emotions towards the causality of his past and present life. But the best scene in this series is when Thorfinn fights Thorokil, which may bring chills. On number 4 comes Gintama. Gintama has totally 353 episodes. This is a Japanese manga series place named Idor, which has been conquered by aliens named Amato. The plot follows life from the point of view of a samurai named Kintoki Sakata, who works as a freelaner alongside his friend chimpanzee Sakura and Kagura to pay his monthly rent. But this is just the short intro of this series. If I tell you more, it may sound like a spoiler, but the best fight scene in this series is when Gintoki, where he uses a wooden sword, and Takasuki uses a original sword where the face off begins. But this is the amazing fight in this series which I have watched. On number 3 comes One Punch Man. One Punch Man has totally 2 seasons where both the... On number 2 comes Attack on Titan. Attack on Titan has totally 4 seasons where first 3 seasons are completed and season 4 part 1 is completed and part 2 is aired at winter 2021. It is a set in a world where humanity lives inside a city surrounded by 3 humorous walls that protects them from gigantic man-eating humanoids referred to as Titans. The story follows Eren Yeager, who vows to exterminate the Titans after a Titan bringing about the destruction of his hometown and that of his mother. But the best fight scene in this is when Eren Yeager fights Rhaina. It is a face-off between the founding Titan and the Warhammer Titan. This is the best fighting scene in Attack on Titan which you may watch. Last but not the least, on number 1 comes Black Clover. Black Clover has totally 170 episodes. It is a Japanese manga series. The story centers around Asta, a young boy born without any magic power. This is unknown to the world he lives in because seemingly everyone has some sort of magic power. But later, Asta acquires an anti-magic sword, but there is a demon resisting inside Asta. The demon is no one but Asta's own brother. To know more, you must watch the series, but the best fight in this series is when Asta and his friend Yuno face against Leech. But this is the best top 5 action anime that you must watch. If you found this video helpful, so please consider subscribing the channel, and part 2 of best 5 action anime is up to come. So sayonara ladies and gentlemen, until next time, peace.